Good morning. I am Dr. A. Aravalli, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of History, Sri Sharada College for Women, Salem. Today we are going to see the topic Architecture of Tanjore Nayak. Let us see the topic now. Introduction of the Tanjore Nayaks. The Tanjore Nayaks were the viceroys of Vijayanagar rulers. With the disappearance of the old ruling dynasties, the Vijayanagar rulers who had established their control of the Tamil country appointed their powerful representatives in Madurai, Tanjore and Senji. According to the tradition, the Tanjore Nayaks were appointed as viceroys in the Chola country by the Vijayanagar Emperor Achyutaraya, the brother of Krishnadevaraya. The suppression of the Veera Narasimha Raya's rebellion led to the foundation of Tanjore Nayakdom. Through Tanjore was governed by the Madurai Nayak, Vishwanatha Nayak. Achyutaraya wished to make Tanjore an independent territory directly subordinate to him. Achyutaraya recognized the southern portion of the empire and established the Tanjore Nayakdom in 1352 CE. Chronology of Tanjore Nayaks. Sevappa Nayaks 1532 CE to 1560 CE. Achyutappa Nayak 1560 CE to 1600 CE. Raghunatha Nayak 1600 CE to 1634 CE. Vijaya Raghava Nayak 1633 CE to 1673 CE. Style of Nayaks architecture. The Nayaks mainly followed the Dravidian style of architecture with much emphasis on towering structure and elaborate carving. Much of the work centered around the addition of the various mandabas or columnar halls filled with a variety of carved pillars such as the Pudu Mandaba directly adjoining the complex. Sevappa Nayak era 1532 CE to 1560 CE. The constructing new temples and expanding the old ones, the Nayaks of Tanjore contributed to the development of architecture. They followed the Vijayanagar style. Sevappa Nayak constructed the Kamalayam in the Tyagarajeshwarar temple at the North Gopura in Thiruvarur. Arunachaleshwarar temple in Thiruvannamalai. The 11-storied Gopura of the Arunachaleshwarar temple in Thiruvannamalai, constructed by Sevappa, reflects the style of Vijayanagar art. Nandi Mandapa in Pragadishwara temple. The Tanjore Pragadishwara temple. The Nandi Mandapa in front of the main temple in Pragadishwara temple complex in Tanjore was constructed by Sevappa Nayak. The pillared Nandi Mandapa houses a monolithic Nandi 12 feet in height, 19 and all feet in length and 18 and all feet in breadth. The Nandi, weighing 25 tons, was chiseled out from Pachaimalai near Perambalur. It is one of the largest Nandi in India. The sculptures of the Sevappa Nayak and his son Achyutappa Nayak are on the decorated front pillar of the Nandi Mandapa. Subramanian Temple at Pragadishwara Temple Complex. In the northwest corner of the Pragadishwara Temple Complex in Tanjore, Sevappa Nayak constructed the Subramanian Temple. Through a small temple, it stands as a model of Tanjore Nayaks architecture and is remarkable for its highly decorated 55 feet height in Imana. The designs on the pillar vary from pillar to another, and thereby every pillar is unique too. The vimana and outer walls are covered with beautiful sculptures. Achyutappa Nayak time 1560 CE to 1600 CE. Tiruvalanjuli temple. Achyutappa Raya constructed the Chandramouleswara temple in the Tanjore Palace complex in 1589 CE. He constructed Mandapa in Mayuram, Tiruvadaimarudur, Kumbakonam, Tiruvalanjuli, Viruthachalam and Tiruvadi, and a Mandapa and Pragara and a Gopura in Ramaswaminatha temple in Rameshwaram. The north and west Gopuras and the 80 Pragara of the Srirangam temple were constructed by him. Sarangabani temple at Kumbakonam. The 56 feet height monolithic Garuda Stambha pillar constructed by him. The Mannargudi is north way. The east, west and north Gopuras of the Mannargudi temple were constructed by him. His minister Govinda Dikshita constructed the Periya Mandapa and Kalyana Mandapa in Kumbakonam. இது அச்சரவாசலா இது அச்சரவாசல். இது அச்சரவாசல் இந்த சாரங்கபாணி டெம்பிள் இன் கும்பகோணம். The Accharavasal in the Sarangapani temple in Kumbakonam 1631 CE and the Tirupalathurai Gopurams. Raghunatha Nayak era 1600 CE to 1634 CE. Uppiliyappan temple in Kumbakonam. As a fervent devotee of Rama, Raghunatha Nayak constructed many temples, pragaras, gopurams and mandapas. The Srirangam temple was completed during his reign. He installed deities and gave donation to the temples in Thirukannamangai and Tiruvadi and the Uppiliyappan temple in Kumbakonam. In the Nedungundram temple, he constructed mandapas and gopuras. He constructed Rama Shrine in the Srirangam and Rameshwaram temple. Along with his minister Govinda Dikshita, he constructed the 16 small temples around the Mahamaham tank in Kumbakonam. The Ramaswamy temple in Kumbakonam, constructed by Raghunatha Nayak in 1620 CE, is a typical specimen of Tanjore Nayak's architecture. Vijayaraghava styled Vijayaraghava Nayak era 1633 CE to 1673 CE. Rajagopala Swami temple in Mannargudi. Vijayaraghava Nayak styled himself as Mannarudasa, slave to Rajagopala Swami, the deity in the Mannargudi temple. The Mannarudasa Vilasamu mentioned that Vijayaraghava constructed The Mannarudasa Vilasamu mentioned that Vijayaraghava constructed 17 pragaras and the 1000-pillared mandapa and a wall around the Rajagopala Swami temple in Mannargudi. His portrait sculpture found in the 1000-pillared mandapa. The Raghunatha Budayam mentioned his donation of armor studded with precious stones to the deity. He constructed an Artha Mandapa and a Maha Mandapa in the Margasakayeswara temple in Movalur. Secular architecture. The tower Tanjore Palace. The Tanjore Maratha Palace was originally constructed by the rulers of Tanjore Nayak Kingdom. After the fall of the Tanjore Nayak Kingdom, it served as the official residence of the Tanjore Marathas. When most of the Tanjore Maratha Kingdom was annexed by the British Empire in 1790 CE, the Tanjore Marathas continued to hold sway over the palace and the surrounding fort or walled city. The Ponce family continued to hold on to the palace even after the large King Shivaji of Tanjore. Sangeet Mahal. Sangeet Mahal, or the Hall of Music, was built in the early 1600 CE during the reign of the Nayak king Sevappa Nayak. It was known by the name of Navaratna Maina Nadagasala. This theatre was later renamed as Sangeeta Mahal during the reign of the Marathas. Granary. Tirupalaithurai. The Tanjore Nayak Granary, specifically at Tirupalaithurai near Babanasam, is a significant architectural and historical landmark built during the Nayak period by Raghunatha 1602-1634, and his advisor stands as a testament to the food storage capabilities of the ancient Tamils. Conclusion. The Tanjore Nayak's architectural style, a prominent feature of the Indian art, blended Dravidian tradition with Vijayanagara and Islamic influences, resulting in unique temple designs and palaces such as the Tirumalai Nayakar Mahal with its octagonal throne room. Thank you.